I'm going to show you how to add product to your online Wix website. So first you want to log on to Wix. And once you log on, you want to go over here where it says My Store. And you click on that. You go to Manage Your Store. Once you go to Manage Your Store, you're going to see this stuff here. What you want to do is go to Store Products. And you see I got a few things on there. What you want to do is go to New Products. You could either physically add or digital. I'm going to go to a physical one. I'm going to go to my desktop. So I'm going to add an image from my computer. I'm going to hit Upload Media, Upload from Computer. And I'm going to just pick a file here, some safety glasses. I'm going to hit Upload. And as you can see, it put it on my display here. And you can go right here and you can go and crop it and do some editing. So I'm going to just crop it a little bit and show you. I'm going to drag it down. Once I do that, I hit Save. It takes a few seconds. And you see the new one right there, and it have the old one. So I'm going to take the crop one. I double click, and you scroll down, and you can put it in categories. I'm going to just click this one, clothes and shoes, just to give you an example. And you want to type the name of the product, put glasses safety. I'm going to call it new. And you can call it used or new, whatever you want. Put a price on it. I'm going to put $1 because I'm going to show you how I'm going to go and purchase it once I finish this. And I'm going to just type in there brand new. You can go through this and you can find other options. You can put how many you have in stock. You can put the weight. Once you do all of that, just go up here to the top and hit Save. As you can see, it added it right there. And just exit out of this. And you're going to notice that it's going to be in my store now. So I'm going to go to a preview and just show you what it looks like when other people see it. So if they log onto my website, they will see this. So you can add it to cart. And in the preview, it's going to let you go only so far, and it's going to stop you. So you can go PayPal. You can go check out with credit card. See, and you can go and change quantities. And if you don't want it, just go down here and put remove. As you can see, it's $1, and I already added the taxes in the background. So you're going to notice it got your address. You can just click checkout. But like I said, it's not going to let me go any further because I'm in my preview mode. So I'm going to save everything here and I'm going to publish this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to log on to my website and show you exactly what others will see when they log on to my site. And right up here, I call it garage sale. Some things I have in my garage. And you can go on this and you can hit the edit product. I'm going to show you right here. Say for instance, I don't want that to show on my website, those safety glasses, but I'm going to take it off and put it back on. I'm just showing you what you can do. You can go right here. You can delete it, which you probably don't want to do. But you can go right here and click hide. Once it's hidden and you go to your website or back to your page, you're going to notice that the safety glasses have been removed or it's not showing to the public. Okay, now I'm going to save everything. I'm going to go to my website. You see right here, and this is a live view. I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to actually purchase this just to show you. So I'm going to check out. And what you want to do is put all your information in and hit continue. It's going to ask if you want to use PayPal or credit card. So I'm using a credit card. Put my information in and hit continue. and make sure everything is okay and confirm everything. Once you confirm that everything is okay, you want to go down here and put place order. Once you hit the place order, it's going to give you this pop-up right here. Say thanks for shopping with Glenn Lewis, or whatever you got there, and it gives the information. And what it's going to do is send you an email and everything, letting you know your purchase. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.